Hey, Steve here, and congratulations. You've made a great decision. Pat yourself on the back. You've taken action. You've proven you want to get better. You want to get past this anxiety thing you're struggling with. So I applaud you, and I know your life is about to change. This program, I poured everything I've got into this thing. I've been teaching people about anxiety for over 8 years now since my book came out. And as I mentioned earlier, this program is a result of hundreds of interviews with people just like you and figuring out exactly what's going to help people the most and boiling it down into what really works. First section below this is going to be the R.A.I.N switch technique. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to do the technique and then show you and explain in detail how to apply it in very specific situations. And these are the most popular situations people have told me they struggle with. So I'm sure you'll find this very useful. The next section below is how to conquer any fear. And there is a scientific way to list out, face, and conquer your fears so you slowly build up your confidence and that courage muscle and you feel better and you get strong. And we're going to take you through a whole exercise in that section. The next section below is how to fix your thinking. So this is where I teach you how to deal with all those scary what if thoughts. There's a very helpful worksheet you're going to be running through, some exercises you're going to be analyzing your thoughts. You're probably going to be very surprised at some of this stuff. And this will help you get perspective and break free from some of that low-level anxiety that just seems to hang around all the time and maybe may have been with you for years. This is going to be key. That section is going to be key to helping you break free from that. In the section below that is how to prevent relapses and really establish long-lasting change. So these are going to be simple things you can do in your life to lower your overall stress and anxiety, to feel better, to have more confidence, to improve your outlook and your perspective on life, the world, yourself. All these things, they all matter. This program isn't just one technique that's going to fix everything. That's one piece of it, but you also have to learn how you're living your life and how you're thinking about things and how you process different things. And that's the other stuff too this program is going to do for you, is help you get that healthy perspective, get your life back in balance so we don't have relapses, so this stuff does last a lifetime. And then the last section is the bonus section, where I've included a few surprises to help you get better a little bit faster. Maybe just give you a little bit more encouragement, some success stories. You can even download my full original book down there that was published in 2009. So hopefully you'll find that helpful as well. And just want to let you guys know I'm a real person. If you want to get in touch with me, hit me up through the program here in Udemy. I'll be checking it regularly. I want to improve this. If you think there's something missing, please let me know. But that being said, jump into this. I highly recommend you start with the R.A.I.N switch technique and then work through the other sections based on what you need the most help with right now. But the R.A.I.N switch technique is the first thing that's going to really hit that switch and help you conquer that fear response and get past that. And then that will make everything else in this program that much easier. So I wish you the best of luck. You can do this. Just stick with it and you will get there.